so much going on in the world at this point. We can talk about Palestine, we can talk about, even within us, Africans, there is so much going on. South Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, the killing, the fighting. So I have something on it, but generally about our realities. And let's go. Our efforts to make it life unbearable is alarming and needs to be addressed. The world has become a cruel place to live in due to envy, false accusations, and hatred. Imagine kindness is no longer appreciated, pride overrated, love underrated, our ego is getting us separated, the powerless are being mistreated. The rich are plundering and trampling the poor. The rich are plundering and trampling the poor, and the poor are envying and cursing the rich. Society is killing young talents with critics. Leadership has turned into a race for money and publicity. Technology is causing us more problems than giving us the grief. Technology is causing us more problems than giving us the solutions we need. The pious are committing mysterious crimes. Evil has headed to the top. Worshipping the devil, blood money, cyber drugs and drugs. Worshipping the devil, cyber fraud and drugs. Depression is leading the youth to their early graves, leaving no space on the line of perfection's race. Everyone is chasing after fame. Everyone is looking for someone to shame. Depression is sending the youth to their early graves, leaving no space on the line of perfection's race. Everyone is chasing after fame. Everyone is struggling to make a name. Everyone is looking for someone to shame. We have smiles on our faces, but hatred is buried in our hearts. No one is another's keeper. Everyone is fighting to survive. We claim we are one, but we treat one another with disdain, putting up barriers instead of building bridges on our ways. But in the broad daylight, everyone wears a perfect disguise. Everyone becomes loving and kind. Everyone acts generous. Everyone sends letter to the villain because everyone has become a victim. No one wants to take responsibility for their errors. No one wants to help someone without any interest. No one wants to forgive someone for their mistakes. So no one wants to admit to their guilt and apologize, which leads to chaos in our living and making the world a cell of adversity. But we can't keep going on this way, no. It's high time we became humans, accept and embrace humanity, and learn to serve this life with love and care. Let's change our ways. Only then can we enjoy the fruit of life, and our Lord will come to our aid. Peace.